Like when I talk, I feel pain because my throat is so dry. I feel so weak and it's the flu. Boy, since Christmas, so the flu now go away. Like my throat is like I don't drink water at all. My throat is just so dry. No matter how much water I drink, my throat is so dry. Guys, please go register for my birthday match. See, Tamika, I've drank tea until I'm tired of drinking tea. I've eaten ginger. I've eaten ginger. I've drank tea. Everything. Z, I'm drinking water. Guys, I'm drinking water. Like, I'm drinking water. It's not helping. Guys, please go register for my birthday battle. Like, when you go on my page, sorry, that's my bulletin board. Chat, you go join my bulletin board. My bulletin. Join my bulletin board for updates. This is my bulletin board. Eat ice cubes. That's gonna help. This is my bulletin board. So that's where I drop like updates and all. Then hey, girl, you catch me every little time. You're turning down my spot. Yeah, Tally, I think I'll go to the doctor because honestly, I'm like this is fucking me up real good. It's so energy draining. The last time I went to the doctor, right? Like the last time I felt like this, but without flu. I never had any flu. The last time I went to the doctor when I felt like this, it was my hemoglobin that was low. So they put me on some supplements and everything, and with time I was good. So the thing is, I don't like to eat. I haven't been out in the rain. No, I don't like to eat. So like I didn't eat and my hemoglobin dropped. So I feel like it's the same thing that I'm suffering from right now, because when I was in Ghana, I wasn't eating. When I was in Ghana, I wasn't eating. I wasn't eating when I was in Ghana. So I feel like maybe my hemoglobin has dropped again. So I've gotten supplements and everything. But like those supplements, it makes you so hungry. It's like you can eat a whole house. You can eat a whole house. Like when I just started taking this, all right, let me